Hello guys, welcome back to your channel Computer Knowledge. In previous video we discussed about pandas data structure. In this video we discuss about how to create a series in various methods from array, dictionary, scalar value or constant. Please subscribe and like my channel and press the bell icon for latest video of IP. Let's start the video. In previous video we discussed about what do you mean by series. Series is a simple a pandas data structure which is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding data of any type means integer, string, float, Python objects. Okay. The axis labels are collectively called index. What are the axis labels? Means axis is your 1 or 0. When the axis is 0, it means it is your row label, and when the axis is 1 it means it concluded as your column label. Okay, next, how to create or how to write the syntax of pandas series. We simply created a pandas series using following constructor. Okay, pandas dot series, then in that series function we have to pass some data or index or data type or copy. What are the description of that parameter we used in a series constructor? Okay. What are the description? Means parameters and the description. Data means data takes various forms like ndarray means multi-dimensional array, list and constants. Okay. What are the index? Index value must be unique or hashable same length as data. Means default is your np dot arrange n. If no index is passed, means if no index is passed on your constructor, it means it by default concluded as your arrange 0 to n minus 1. Okay, what are the data types you declare that will be shown on your output. Okay, D type means data type of the data. Next is your copy data. If we want to copy the data from one series to another series, then we declare the copy is equal to true. If we don't want to copy that data, then default is your false. Okay. Next, a series can be created using various inputs like array, dictionary, scalar value or constant. Okay. How to create a empty series? Empty series means how to create a empty data value on a constructor, means how to pass a empty data on a series. Simply we declare import pandas as pd, means we have to import the pandas library and pd is the identifier name. Then we create a object of pandas empty series. Then we don't in this 11 code series, on this series constructor we don't pass any data. That's why in series, empty series, we don't want to pass the data in this series constructor. That's why this is called your empty series. Okay, what is the type? A series, and this is your index which is not pass any data or any output which is not showing any output, and D type is your by default is your float 64. Okay, next, how to create a series from nd arrays, means multi-dimensional arrays. If a data is an nd arrays means multi-dimensional arrays, then index passed must be of the same length. Means when we used when we passed a array length, then if no index is there, then by default pandas provided the index label. Okay, how, where n is an array length from 0 to n minus 1, means length minus 1. Okay, there is the example, import pandas as pd, import numpy, means when we pass the data of array we have to declare numpy. Okay, import numpy as an np, and data is our object, and np.array, we have to pass the value of array a b c d, means this is the a b c d is your column values, and pd.series, this is your series declaration. pd is your identifier name of pandas library. pd.series, and pass the value of data, means your numpy array object into that series. Then s is the object which is passes to the series value to the s. Then print s. What is the output? 0 1 2 3 is your by default index, means row label, and abcd is your column value. We did not pass any index, so by default it is assigned the index ranging from 0 to length minus 1, means 0 to 3, means there is 4 values. That's why from 0 to n minus 1 means 4 minus 1 is your 3. Okay. Next, how to create index label. Import pandas as pd, and in series when we pass the value of data, and index name is your 100, 101, 102, 103, then there is the output of, instead of default value, this is your 100 and 101, 102, 103. Okay, we pass the index value here. Now we can see the customized index value in our output. When we pass the value, index value, then this is, so the on the output we shows customized index value. Okay, next is your create a series from dictionary. How to create a series from a dictionary? In dictionary there are two values, one is your key and another one is your value. Okay, how in dictionary we passed input, and if no index is specified, then dictionary keys are taken in a sorted order to construct index, means sorted order. Suppose data and a is your key and 0 is your value, then pass that dictionary into that series. What is the output? A is your index label, and b is your index label, and c is your index label. 0.0, 1.0 and 2.0 is your column value, and what is the data types? That is your float type. Okay, next, how to pass the index label? Then in that series constructor passes the data value. Data means that numpy array or dictionary. Then index label, how you want to customize that index. You have simply put the constructor in that series constructor, simply you put the index equal to your array name b c d a. That means when we does not pass the value, then that means the missing value is filled with none, means not a number. In this data we taken three values, that's why in d values it taken as none, means not a number. The missing element is filled with by default is your none. Then create a series from scalar. How to create a series from scalar? Means index must be provided. If you want to create a series from a scalar, then index must be provided on the series constructor. Okay, the value will be repeated to match the length of index, means when index is declared from 0 to 3, means that data should be repeated on that index level. In this example, we import the pandas as pd and import numpy as np. Then in the pd.series, means the constructor of series, we pass the scalar value of 5 and index name is your 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, 0 1 2 3 in index label. Then we want to print the object of the panda series. Then this is the output of create a series from scalar. Thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe and like my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video of IP. Thank you.